This complimentary service includes the following basic maintenance items: oil changes using Hyundai recommended oil filter changes using Hyundai genuine oil filters, tire rotation, and a multi-point inspection performed by Hyundai trained technicians. Your dealer may recommend additional maintenance items found during the multi-point inspection, such as normal wear and tear items like air filters, wiper blades, and brake linings, which are not covered by the Hyundai Complimentary Maintenance Program. All work is performed at Hyundai dealerships by certified Hyundai technicians using genuine Hyundai parts. This ensures you and your vehicle are receiving the best treatment possible. Hyundai wants to ensure that you keep your vehicle maintained on schedule. That's why you will be notified in multiple ways when it is time for your next recommended vehicle maintenance. You will find information on when your next maintenance is due in your monthly vehicle health report or your Hyundai service reminder emails. And if you have an account at myhyundai.com, you will be automatically notified when it is time for your complimentary maintenance. Make sure that your contact information is up to date to receive the most current vehicle and account information. Your maintenance schedule can also be found online at myhyundai.com and Hyundai's Maintenance Schedule Index, or you can refer to your printed owner's manual. And when it's time to schedule your service, you can do so through your monthly vehicle health report or service reminder emails, your My Hyundai account, by calling your dealer. You can find out more information on the Hyundai Complimentary Maintenance Program online at myhyundaiusa.com, as well as at your Hyundai dealership. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel, as well as consult myhyundai.com.